Hey everybody, I haven't been getting full shop days because I'm still healing from my ankle surgery, but I've been working on a few little restoration projects that I can do sitting down, mainly sitting down. And this was a tenor banjo that a long-term student and customer of mine wanted to put back together. And it didn't have a head, and it didn't have a tension hoop or a tone ring. So she agreed that that it would be okay for me to try to fabricate those out of brass myself. That's something I haven't really done before, but I thought it would be a fun challenge. And this is a little tenor banjo with about a 20-inch scale, 21-inch scale or so. I'm pretty sure it's made by Stromberg Wozenet. That's the people that became K. I've seen this headstock and this inlay and some other stuff about it from that era and location. Either way, it's somebody in Chicago. If it's not them, it's Regal or something like that. But yeah, it's a pretty nice banjo. It's all maple, stained dark. There's some nice bird's eye in it. There's this nice marquetry. Not a high-end Gibson banjo, but not a cheapo catalog model either. It's a pretty good banjo. It's got a nice resonator down there too, which I haven't put on yet. So yeah, I fabricated this tension hoop out of brass, and I just riveted it back here. The next one I'm going to learn how to torch weld or braze that. And I left it brass. I didn't nickel plate it just because I don't have the facilities for that. And it's pretty good. I mean, you can see little artifacts from my ring roller on there that I would have to grind out if I were doing this, full time. And I made a little square stock tone ring that fits in the space that was already there in the rim where there used to be a tone ring, and that went really well. Yeah, it was a fun project. Now this has the 21-inch scale length, but she wanted GCEA like a ukulele, so I had to put some really light and thin strings on it to get this long of a scale length up to that pitch. But it actually sounds pretty good. Normally I'd tune this like a baritone uke or Chicago tuning DGBE, but she didn't want to have to think about a different set of chords, so I understand that. Yeah, sounds pretty good. I like it. It was a fun project. I'm excited to get it back to her and see what she thinks. And I'm looking forward to learning more about making my own brass parts. Been slowly setting up part of the shop for that, and over time, I think I'll get to that. So, cheers. Have a good one.